Hello everyone, you're here again with Tommy Robinson. This video was in collaboration with my good friends at Parts View. And today, I'd like to talk about Starbrite products to help keep your boat clean, shiny, carpet clean, and so forth. So, let me show you around and hopefully it will give you the shine that you're looking for. Okay guys, we're going to start with the Starbrite boat wash. You always got to wash it before you do any cleaning. After you wash it, you want to put a good wax on it. You want to wax it real good. You want to clean your carpet real good. You want to get rid of any mildew stains. And then what I usually do is once I've waxed it and got it shiny and been on the water, once I'm off the water, I use the boat guard. That gets remove all the water spots and so forth, and it brings it back to the good shine that the wax has been put on. Now, if you really want to see something shine, we're going to go with the vinyl guard. Let's get that on the seats and on the boats. Look how shiny these seats are right now. That's from the vinyl guard. Look how shiny they are. And it stays this way for a good long time. Also, I used it on my engine. Look at it. No water spots on there. How good is that? So I hope you guys will try Starbrite Boat Wash, Premium Cleaner Wax, the Carpet Cleaner, Mildew Stain Remover, Boat Guard, and your Vinyl Guard. It gives your whole boat a complete, shiny, new look. Well, we talked about the Starbrite products. I hope you needed sunglasses to look at my boat because of the shine that it gave me. I hope you'll try these and go to partsview.com and subscribe if you like this video and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for visiting with us today.